Well, a few days ago, you guys saw the unboxing of the Hyper Blue TNs. Yes, and in that little video, I don't know why I just called it little, but in that video, I spoke about the little magic bag, the represent, the clothing that has taken me by storm. I'm telling you, I love this. I love it. I can't express it how much I love this brand. And I'll specify to you again, I am not sponsored. No sponsor. I don't know anybody in represent. I'm just being honest from the heart, guys. I'm wearing it right now, as a matter of fact. I'm always wearing represent now. Not gonna lie to you, that's taken over the Supreme. Yes, guys, yes. I love Supreme still. No, I'm not saying nothing bad about Supreme. But man, this is just something out of this world. But anyways, enough of the talking. Let's get straight into this. Hey guys, I'm not gonna bring you a full-blown review on the clothing. I've already done the review on this clothing. I'll tell you the materials are still the same, the whole shebang. I'll give you a little bit of insights here and there, but I do have a little special item. I actually have two special items for those who have children. The accessory item that I'm actually looking forward to. I have not opened this at all. I'm gonna get into it right in front of you guys. And yes, this time, guys, I had to do the review on my sneaker reviewing area because the Blue Room is under construction. Not really crazy construction, but I'm just changing certain sneakers around and stuff like that. But enough of that, let's get straight into it, guys. The first item right here that I have, it's gonna be, I can sort of see it already from the outside. Like always, represent is represented, son. I'm talking about good quality all the way through. And man, of course, the quality on the clothing, like always, beautiful, man. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And there it is, guys. I had to get my Doberman t-shirt, Thoroughbred represent. Right there, guys. Very, very nice. Printed. The quality on the printing, like I said, on point. No complaint whatsoever. Ain't none of this coming off. That I actually have an update on some of the Fear of God that actually came off when you wash them, guys. And I'm a little disappointed at that. And I don't want to bash Fear of God. I love Fear of God. I love the brand. But I'm very disappointed at that. Out of a simple wash, just the way, cold wash, the whole shebang, and the actual emblem just ripped off completely. Now it says Doof Odd on it. It's like all over the place, guys. It didn't go really good. It didn't go real good. This printing, I'm not gonna lie, it ain't going nowhere. This is quality at its best. Much said right there. Love this t-shirt. I had to get it. As a matter of fact, what I am gonna do is that I'll give you little snips right there of me wearing them, and they are a size medium. I'm 172 pounds, guys. 172 pounds. Yes, guys, from the last video, I gained like 3 pounds. You know what I'm saying? Pure muscle now. Thoroughbred, baby. Let's get to the next piece. And this one, I could already see it from out of the bag. And there it is, guys. Of course, very well put, very nice, very, how do you say it, put together, if you want to put it like that. I don't really know the name of it, guys. I'm going with it. Like I always say, guys, go with it. And yes, on this one right here, I had to get it. Represent Godspeed. I had to get this. This is one of my favorite t-shirts, and I haven't even had it. Right now, I'm just opening it. Well, you guys saw it right there with a little bag of rubies. And man, I love this shirt. And I just noticed right now that I opened it, it has a little bit of a different type of look than the rest. This one has like a distressed look around the collar right there. Now that I'm thinking about it, I am gonna have to give you a little bit of close-ups on this, guys. So yes, very good quality. Like I said, over 200 GSM guaranteed. This is quality at its best, baby. And a lot of people have been asking me, what does GSM mean? GSM, guys, is how many ounces, in other words, here in the United States, how many ounces the shirt is. If it's thick cloth, if it's, good quality stuff, in other words, guys, it all on the ounces. Go check it out, Google it. What is 200 GSM? And it'll tell you the ounces. You get your answers right there. And I'm always guiding myself by that. That's why I vow by this company. So yes, once again, represent Godspeed. Of course, the quality labels on it that this is, I like calling it that ashy cardboard. This is the ashy cardboard. Everything that has ashy on it means it's good quality. It's like silky, you know, very good, very nice. Going into the back right here, you see that beautiful angel right there with a sword, and it says, "Where eagles and angels dare to fly," with the R of represent. And if you go all the way to the bottom, you actually see the distressed look. It's actually not sewn. Like, you know, the little nice little sewn like this one is right here that is sewn together. Nah, this one's distressed. I love it, man. I love it. Each shirt has like, it's, I don't know, man. It's just cool, man. Represent, man. You're killing it, dude. That's what I'm saying. And it's hard for me to be representing a company that much. But man, when you're happy with something, and I'm being honest, man, it is what it is, dude. It's just, it's quality, man. It's quality at its best. Now, another little detail, the actual sleeves don't have the distressed look. So that right there, that's another little touch right there, just in case you guys actually want to know about that. It's only on the collar and all the way in the bottom. You guys see me wearing it right there, size medium, 172 pounds, ladies, 172 pounders. Next, yes, I know exactly what this is because I feel the texture. I'm actually very excited to see what this is all about. And wow, I'm already touching this. Like, yo, I love it. Shorts, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, the shorts. Ooh, boy, man, this is some quality. I don't know, it's like this is out of control, guys. It has the R right there with like a cloud on the bottom. I'm guessing something like that. I can't really define what it is, but it's just beautiful, and it's like textured. You see all that texture around it. I don't know how they do this, guys. I'm not an expert in clothing. I just know good quality. I'm not gonna lie to you when it comes to that many years in the fashion world. And I'm telling you, man, this is built different, dude. This quality is on point. It's just the texture on it. It's nice. I'm looking at the inside of the actual shorts. You see the texture right there from the outside. Very nice. It's like an R with like a butterfly or wings or something like that in the bottom. Once again, guys, I don't know exactly what it is. You know, pockets are very nice, very big pockets. Very good. It has back pockets right there. On point. Big pockets too, guys. Just be careful every time you wear these type of shorts. If you put in the wallet back there, I never put my wallet in the back. You might dare do it. Me personally, I don't, because they have slipped off. And not just with represent shorts. I'm talking about any type of shorts that are like this kind. And it's not like jeans. For some reason, jeans that stick in there. This one is nothing weird on that one. You know what I'm trying to say? It's just that these are they're more loose, you know, guys. Once again, this is for the relaxed fit, you know, but very nice, very beautiful. And I got these in a size medium, very exquisite. There you guys have it. Now, going into the two pieces that I wanted to mention the most. And what are they? This accessory right here. Let me open it up for you guys. Very nice. Oh man, it comes with a nice little bag and everything. Beautiful. And yo, nice. Quality on point, man. It's like a nylon, guys. But what is it with represent and their quality, dude? It's like everything that you touch in this company feels different. It don't matter, 100% cotton, hemp, the whole shebang. I understand that, but man, this nylon doesn't feel like a regular nylon. I don't know what it is, man. Maybe it's just my mind, my imagination. I don't know, guys. Once again, but it just feels quality. And this is a crossbody bag, guys. That's for you to put things, you know. I'm always around in the streets. I'm always traveling, doing things. You guys know it right there, how to wear your sneakers. I'm always somewhere, guys, and I needed a bag, a crossbody bag. I say, hey, you know what? Let's give Represent a shot. I have Supremes, I have Louis V's, I have Gucci's and stuff like that. And I'm not gonna lie to you, man, they have come through very nice. The strap, very good quality. Let me loosen this up here real quick. And the strap is on point. Aluminum right here, look at that. Very beautiful, man. Very nice, dude. Wow. The aluminum to lock it together. the little leather to hold the other strap. Man, this is very, very nice. Hey man, and thinking about it real good, you could even give this to a female. They could just go, and hold it up, they hold it and they put it on their shoulder, hold it up or whatever, guys. I don't know how that's called. If I don't want to disrespect any of the females over there that come out. You guys know already that I got the female rating kicking. Yes, it's there, baby. I'm not gonna do the sexy character because it's not gonna work. I told you, I gotta perfect that one, guys. I gotta perfect it. But yes, guys, it could be given to a female very easily. Of course, crossbody, or if they just want it as a purse, that I'm looking at it. It looks good. This is very unisex when it comes to this right here, guys. Very good quality, very nice. And let's get into the inside right here, guys. I'm trying to make this as quick as possible. I don't want to bore you guys over here. And it has the zipper right inside right there, so you can store your phone or some money, whatever you guys want to put in there. And it has the zipper has the R for represent. So is the main zipper all the way in the top. It has the represent label right there. And guys, this one ain't made in Portugal. All the clothing says that it's made in Portugal. This one is actually made in China. Just being full transparent here. I know that a lot of people really care about that. Where is it made? Where does it come from? And all that, if it's really good quality. A lot of people just don't like where certain things are made, guys. So I'm just being transparent here. I'm giving you the full info, guys. I'm giving you the full info. In my case, I really don't care. What I care is about quality control. That's what I care about. And the QC on this is on point. And it has like a silky material, nylon also in the inside. And it comes with this thing that I guess is the silicone thing. The humidity. There you go, humidity. So once again, very, very nice, very beautiful. I like it very much. And that's the little bag right there that it comes with. Very good quality too. It's not a cheap bag or anything like that. It could be used, I don't know, for laundry or something, whatever the hell you guys want to use it for. But it is very, very nice. Now, we're going to the next one right here. And this is the other special little piece that I wanted to show you guys. This one didn't come in the little, this one came in the one that you gotta break over here, guys. Or open it carefully. In my case, I'm not gonna open it carefully. And I'm gonna show you guys, yes, because sometimes on Sunday nights, I shrink, and I become very little, so I wear, I'm joking around, This, guys, is mini represent. Yes, I bought this for my little one, 6 years old, and yes, I had to get him the tee. Obviously, it fits a little oversized. Just to let you know, they do have represent for the babies, for the kids, man, for the children. Very beautiful quality, still the same, on point. They're made in Portugal. And yes, guys, if you have children, you can swag them out with that represent straight from England, baby. And to be specific, Manchester, England, baby. Yes, that's right, baby. Big shout out, homie. Big shout out to all my homies up in England, man. Man, much love, bro. Much love, much love, much love, much love. Number two, baby. US number 1, England number 2. UK, actually, all UK number 2, man. Much love, much love. Hey, I said, well, maybe one day I'll end up living in that joint. Maybe they'll kick my butt out of it. But hey, it is what it is. At least I can say, I lived here for a good old 10 minutes. Till next time, everybody, hopefully all of this helps you, and make a decision if you want to buy this, guys. And another little quick thing that I forgot to mention, look out for when they open up the vault. I got these when they opened up the vault, and you could get amazing discounts, guys. You could save hundreds on this. So keep your eye open on the vault. When they open the vault, you can copy yourself the represent and save hundreds at the same time. Till next time, everybody, once again, I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace! London, here I come.